Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to make the font bigger in Thinkorswim. If you find the default font size difficult to read, you're in the right place. I will guide you through the necessary steps to adjust the font size for a better viewing experience. First, launch Thinkorswim and log into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look for the gear icon located at the top right corner. This icon represents the settings menu. Click on it to open the settings options. From the drop-down menu, select Application Settings. In the Application Settings window, you will see a section labeled Display. Here, you can adjust various display options, including the font size. Locate the font size option and use the slider or input box to increase the size to your preference. Once you've made your selection, be sure to click the Apply button located at the bottom of the window. Finally, to see your changes take effect, you may need to restart Thinkorswim. Close the application and reopen it. You should now notice that the font size is larger and easier to read. That concludes our tutorial on making the Thinkorswim font bigger. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.